The rain started without warning. It was one of those late afternoon showers that suddenly turned the sky gray, swallowed the sunlight, and wrapped the world in a quiet hush. People rushed to find shelter. Shops pulled down half their shutters. Rickshaws disappeared. The street that had been loud just minutes ago became soft with the sound of falling rain. Maya stood under the narrow tin shade of a closed tea stall, hugging her bag close to her chest. She hadn't brought an umbrella. The forecast had promised sunshine, not this sudden storm. She watched the rain bounce off the empty road, forming tiny silver needles that blurred everything beyond a few feet. The smell of wet earth rose in the air. It was beautiful, but also inconvenient. She sighed. Great, just great. You can share mine. The voice came from her right. She turned. A tall boy stood there, holding a black umbrella. He looked slightly awkward, like he wasn't used to talking to strangers. His hair was already damp, probably from running to the stall. His eyes were calm, gentle. Maya blinked. What? My umbrella, he said, lifting it a little. If you're heading toward the main road, we can walk together. She hesitated. The rain was heavy. It didn't look like it would stop soon. I don't want to trouble you. It's not trouble, he said quickly. It's just less lonely in the rain. That made her smile, just a little. Okay, she said. Only until the bus stand. They stepped out together. The umbrella wasn't very big, so they had to walk close. The rain drummed above them. Water splashed around their feet. A cool breeze pushed the rain sideways, forcing them even closer. I'm Arif, he said. Maya. Nice to meet you, Maya. She nodded. You too. They walked in silence for a moment. The world around them blurred into gray. Shops, trees, people. Everything became part of the rain. You like rain? He asked. She thought for a second. Only when I don't have to go anywhere. He laughed softly. Same. Another silence. But it didn't feel awkward anymore, just quiet. A sudden gust of wind blew rain into the umbrella. Maya instinctively moved closer. Their shoulders touched. She quickly stepped half an inch away, embarrassed. Sorry. It's okay, he said. The rain doesn't respect personal space. She laughed, and the sound blended with the rainfall. They reached a puddle covering half the road. Maya tried to step around it, but slipped slightly. Arif instinctively held her arm. For a second, time paused. Her hand rested lightly on his wrist. His grip was firm but careful. Their eyes met. Careful, he said softly. Thanks. He slowly let go, but the warmth stayed. The bus stand was still a few minutes away. The rain grew heavier. Cars passed, spraying water. A stray dog ran under a shop roof. A child jumped in puddles while his mother scolded him. "You live nearby?" Arif asked. "Not really. I take the 5:20 bus." He nodded. "Me too." She looked at him. "Really?" "Yeah, every day." "That's strange. I've never seen you." "I've seen you," he said, then quickly added, I think I have. You usually stand near the corner pole." Her eyebrows lifted. "You noticed that?" He shrugged. "I notice things." She smiled again, this time longer. They reached the bus stand. It was crowded. Everyone squeezed under the small roof. The rain poured harder, creating a curtain around them. There was no space under the shelter, so they stayed outside, under the umbrella. "Looks like we're stuck," Maya said. "I don't mind," he replied. Neither did she. The rain softened the noise of the world. Conversations became muffled. The air felt cool and calm. Maya looked at the road. "I used to love rain when I was little." "What changed?" "Life," she said quietly. "Rain means delays, wet clothes, mud, trouble." He shook his head. "Rain still feels like a pause to me." "A pause?" "Yeah, like the world stops running, like everything slows down so you can breathe." She thought about it. The rain, the quiet, the stillness. "Maybe you're right." A drop slipped from the edge of the umbrella and landed on her cheek. She wiped it away. Arif noticed. "You're getting wet," he said, shifting the umbrella toward her. "You'll get wet." "That's okay." "No, we share," she insisted, adjusting it back. Their hands brushed while adjusting the umbrella. Neither moved for a second. Then they both let go. A bus passed, not theirs. The rain kept falling. "Do you always talk to strangers in the rain?" she asked. "No," he said. "Only today." "Why today?" He looked at her, then away. "Because you looked like someone who needed company." Her heart skipped slightly. "And you?" he asked. "Do you always accept?" "No," she said. "Only today." They both smiled. Thunder rumbled far away. The rain softened, turning from heavy drops into a gentle fall. The streetlights flickered on, glowing through the mist. The sky darkened.